How's it going, guys? Noah down here at Johnson's RV and Auto, and we are here in the shop today with a brand new unit for you guys. As you can tell from the big blue writing on the side, it is an RPOD, but different look from the previous year model. Remember the big beast mode package, big jacked up mud tires, massive lift kit, more off-road capable? Well, they still have the beast mode package, and they still sell floor plans in the beast mode package, but they also came out with the new classic lineup, which includes 6 floor plans, some new, some redesigned, which are going to come in at better weights, better prices, and easier to tow for those smaller SUVs and smaller trucks. This one here is a brand new floor plan. It's the RPOD 194, which is a very well set up rear kitchen, 60 by 80 queen size bed. It's going to come in at 20 feet of length, and it's going to weigh just at 3,100 pounds. So you can still tow with those 3,500 pound SUVs or those 5,000 pound SUVs very easily. Let's take a peek at it, guys. So starting up front here, guys, 20-pound propane tank with a cover. Like I say all the time, you can throw a 30-pounder in there. You just might need to find yourself a new cover. You are going to get a full-size battery and battery box with the trailer. And you are going to see it is a manual jack on the front. Now, like I said before, it is a price competitor, so they are going to, cut some corners, especially with the jack. But if you guys want, we can throw one on there for you for a couple $100, and you can get yourself a power jack if that's your thing. Coming down the side of the trailer, you are going to see on this 194 massive pass-through storage underneath the bed. Full-size power awning on here. You're still going to get that good-looking glass door, and you still get the nice gold wheels, which I think look great with the blue and the white on this trailer. Let's take a peek inside, guys. Starting in the interior of the RPOD 194, we're going to start up front here with the 60 by 80 queen-size bed, which is awesome because it's super easy to find a mattress upgrade for. Storage underneath the bed, and as well, new for this year, you're going to have a wireless charging pad at the head of the bed, and if you press it up, 2 110 outlets there and 2 more USB charging ports as well. 2-place dinette beside the bed here. Nice thing is it drops down and gives you a little bit of extra sleeping space into a single bed if you do need it. 4 overhead cabinets above the dinette, and a 13.5K BTU roof-mounted AC. In most price competitor trailers or trailers of this size, you're not going to get that 13.5K. You're going to get one of those noisy 8K shakers. So nice thing is they still give you the best of the best and give you that 13.5K roof-mounted AC. Beside the fridge, closed storage here or extra pantry space, whatever you want to do with that, and a Furrion 8 cubic foot, 12-volt refrigerator. Into the most impressive part of this little trailer is going to be your kitchen area. Plenty of counter space, plenty of overhead storage, some storage underneath the sink, 3 drawers, convection oven down here, 2-burner cooktop here. Lots of storage in here, guys. I'm very impressed. Into the standard bathroom in a trailer this size, shower in the corner, toilet position in a spot where you can at least sit down, and nice little sink in there as well with some storage underneath. Well, we're going to finish this one up, guys, in the kitchen because, like I said, I'm very impressed. Very well laid out. The sink in the corner here gives a very good layout for a lot of prep space here. Good overhead storage, good underneath storage. This is the RPOD 194, guys. It's a classic model. That means a little bit lower, easier to tow with those smaller SUVs. Going to come in at a very, very good price. If you guys want to check something out like this, maybe a different classic model, maybe this one, give me a call at Johnson's RV. Ask for Noah or come see me, and I can show you one of these.